A truck was moving at high speed on the highway. Ahead of it, a pickup truck was also driving fast, loaded with cargo. As the truck began to overtake the pickup, something unexpected happened. One of the boxes from the pickup suddenly came loose. Within seconds, it flew straight into the path of the truck. The box slammed hard into the front of the truck. The impact was sudden and powerful. It was a shocking moment that could have turned into a serious accident. This incident shows how unsecured cargo can become extremely dangerous on highways.